Hey guys, it's Chris from Tire Supply Network, and today we're talking about the most important step in a good tire service: wheel cleaner. And today we have 3 different options from Tire Supply Network. Why is this the most important step? Because if you don't have a good, clean wheel surface, it doesn't matter how good the adhesive is, the tape weights just won't stick. First, we will demonstrate WC-32RD, which is our 32-ounce wheel cleaner. It is water-based, meaning it's biodegradable and safe to use on any finish. This wheel cleaner is proudly made in the USA. Next is Plumco's StickPro Wheel Cleaner. Offered in a 22-ounce spray version, this product is specifically formulated to clean the wheel without harming the wheel. Abrasive chemicals on your customers' wheels are never a good practice. As you can see, no rinse is necessary. Last, StickPro Wheel Cleaner in wipe form comes 70 wipes in a bottle. It's the same formula as the spray, but pre-applied to a textured wipe. Put down the brake clean, guys, and pick up the proper wheel cleaner. As you can see, all 3 get the job done the proper way. Now, which one's best for you? The choice is yours. To purchase, visit TireSupplyNetwork.com, your #1 tire supply and equipment destination.